Welcome to another exciting episode of sealcoatuniversity.com, where we bring you training episodes and videos for crack sealing, line striping, seal coating driveways, parking lots. You can make a ton of dough, man. You really can. Make a lot of money in your spare time. In this crazy world, we've all got to make as much money as we possibly can, as fast as we possibly can. So check us out, sealcoatuniversity.com. You can easily make $1,000, couple of grand on a weekend. And that's not being unrealistic. If you can do it smart, do it well, and do it efficiently. And I'm being eaten by mosquitoes out here. So I'm going to keep moving as I talk. Sit back and enjoy the video. It's going to be a short one. My assistant wasn't feeling well, so I basically had to do the job by myself with very little help, which goes to show you, if I can do it, anybody can do it. So check out our courses, online 4-week online courses at Sealcoat University, and sign up. Great money, man. It's really good money. It's great money. You can make $250 to $450 an hour all day long. So check us out, and now for the video. I said it's going to be a short one. So as we started blowing off the driveway, we already did the edging and trimming. So as we started blowing it off, you can see all of the old hot rubber crack sealing just coming up. The moisture had crept in underneath it from below, or it seeped in from the rain, whatever the case may be. Moisture got onto there, and we had to cut out the loose pieces before we could reseal the cracks and get the seal coating done. I got a razor knife to cut. You don't want to just keep pulling it, you'll pull it all up. So you've got to determine how much is enough, and here's what it is. So I sped this up a little bit because I don't want to waste your time on the same unnecessary crap. So here we are, cleaning up the rubber as best we could. So here we're stirring up the melting rubber in preparation of applying it on the driveway, and as you can see, we've cleaned up most of the loose old rubber, and it's the first step to getting it ready to redo. As you can see, we trimmed the edges already. You'd be surprised some of the things you see on a job site. This is a robot lawnmower. It is. Pretty cool. I don't think it does. Sadly, in this video, we didn't get any footage of actually doing the hot rubber crack sealing. My buddy Waylon there, he wasn't feeling very well, and I was basically working by myself. You can see the obvious improvement on this driveway once we were finished. It looks awesome. Another happy customer. Well, that's it. I told you it was going to be a short video. If you're interested in seal coating, check us out, sealcoatuniversity.com. It's a great business. You can make a ton of money. If you're not making $1,000 a day, you're doing something wrong. And you can do that too if you're good and efficient. And I'm the best at it, man. I can teach you how to do this. You can make great money. And we all have to make as much money as we possibly can, as quick as we can in this crazy world. Who knows what's going to happen next? So check us out, sealcoatuniversity.com. I'm Mike Callahan. Until next time. I've been doing this 35 years. I just turned 69, and I'm still doing it. So how hard can it be? But it's hard work. You gotta, if you do it right, you get efficient, and I can teach you how to do that. Check out our online courses at sealcoatuniversity.com, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good day. Goodbye for now. It is crazy money. Crazy money, man. It's awesome. Fucking awesome. It is. It's crazy.